Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inkscape tutorial how to draw lines. To draw lines, you can use these tools, pen tools, and then you can choose this option, Bezier path. Like I will click start from this point into here, move to the bottom, and then click at this point. Now, if you done, you can press enter. And in here, you need to checks and fill into none. So you can click here, fill, and then click at this icon. So we draw lines. I will create again line in here, like this, and you can press enter to apply. You also can press control buttons to draw straight lines or draw arcs like this. Straight lines by pressing control in your keyboard. Press enter again to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Inkscape tutorial, how to draw lines. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.